Good morning dear kids. Welcome back to our EVS class. In today's class we will be starting with chapter number 3, Clothes for Us. You all know what are clothes. So in this chapter what we will be studying? Different clothes for different season, how these clothes are made. So we will be studying this in detail. So let us start. Open page number 14 everyone in your EVS book. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, wind and rain. Why do we wear the clothes? So that we remain protected from rain, wind, from cold, from heat. So long ago, people did not wear clothes. Long ago, there were the people, they do not used to wear clothes. So what do they wear? They used to cover their body with dead animal skin or with leaves. Slowly, people learned to make clothes. Slowly, gradually, the people they learn how to make the clothes, and then the people they start wearing the clothes. But long ago, people they don't wear the clothes. They used to cover their body with dead skin of the animals or with the leaves. Now we will be studying different clothes for different seasons. What are different seasons? Like summer, winter, rainy season. These are different seasons. So according to the season, we wear different clothes. Now which season is there, kids? Now it is summer. In summer, we used to wear this type of cotton clothes, light colored cotton clothes. In summer, we wear this. In winter season, there is too much of cold. So in that season, we used to wear sweaters. In rainy season, your school reopens after summer vacation in rainy season, and in rainy season what do you use? You use raincoat. So let us read now. We wear different kinds of clothes in different season. We wear in summer. What do we wear? Which season is summer? Summer is in April, May and June. So in summer what do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. In winters we used to wear sweater. Sweater is made of the wool. So we wear in summer. In winter we wear woolen clothes. And this woolen clothes they keep our body warm, and cotton clothes keep our body cold. We wear raincoat during rainy season. In rainy season, when there is rain, what do we wear? Raincoat. Next, what are clothes made of? Now, what are these clothes made of? The clothes that we wear, what is they are made of? We get cotton. From where do we get this cotton? In summer, we wear the cotton clothes. Now, from where do we get this cotton? Have you ever think about it? From where do we get the cotton? In summer, we wear the cotton cloths. We get cotton from cotton plant. From where do we get the cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. From cotton plant we get the cotton. Cotton, it grows in pods. The pods are picked and thread is made from them. From cotton plant we used to take the cotton, and then from the cotton thread is made. So making the thread from cotton, it is called as spinning. Spinning. What is spinning? Making thread from cotton. It is called as the spinning. The thread is made into clothes on a loom. What is a loom? Loom, L-O-O-M. Loom is a machine where the clothes are made. And this process of making the clothes, we called it as weaving. So from cotton plant we get cotton. From cotton we make thread, and from the thread we used to make clothes by the machines which we called it as the loom. Now next, from where do we get this woolen clothes? How this woolen clothes are made? You all had seen sheep, yes? So the sheep body, it is covered with the white color wool. So the hair, it is cleaned and turned into woolen thread. Wool is used to knit sweater, caps and socks. So from where do we get the woolen cloths? Woolen cloths we get from sheep. From sheep we get the wool. From sheep we get the wool, and from this wool, woolen cloths are made. Your mother used to wear the sari of the silk. From where do you get the silk? The silk we get from a silkworm. From silkworm. From the silkworm we get the silk, and the saris, they are made of the silk. Now next, turn the page everyone and come to the page number 16. Some of us wear uniform. Yes, you also wear uniform. You used to, when you used to go to the school, you used to wear school uniform. So you wear your uniform to school. Similarly, there are clothes who wear. There are the other peoples who used to wear uniform, like doctors, nurses, people in the police and postmen. They wear uniforms. These are the other peoples which used to wear uniforms. And had you ever noticed that people in the different parts of a country, they used to wear different uniform? Like when you used to go to the village, so there the people used to wear different kinds of clothes. If you ever you have visited the different states, you have seen that in different states the people, they used to wear different kinds of clothes. Here in the book you can also see the people of the different places. They are wearing different kinds of the uniform. Here the lady wearing the sari, she belonged to Maharashtra. You can see the style, she is wearing the sari. Next she is wearing the suit. Suit, mostly the people of the Punjab and Jammu Kashmir, they used to wear suits. Here this man is wearing the kurta along with this white colored dhoti. So he belongs to Kerala side. And the last one, he is wearing a pagdi. Along with this, he is wearing this kind of dress. So this man, he belongs to Rajasthan. So along with the dress, we can identify the people to which state they belong. So that's all for today's class. Take care everyone. Eat healthy food. Goodbye. Have a nice day.